Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set screen time on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone and you have to scroll down until you find a digital well-being and parental control setting. And this is the setting, so just click on it. And since we want to set screen time on our Android phone, we can click on screen time goal right here. Then just click on set goal right here, then pick the screen time goal, and for example I'm just gonna select 12 hours and 5 minutes, sorry, 12 hours and 5 minutes, and after that we just need to click on done right here. Okay, and this is the screen time goal, guys. And if you want to delete the screen time goal, you just need to tap on it. Then we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen, then just click on delete goal. And if you want to change the goal, you just need to click on change goal right here. Okay guys, and that's how we can set screen time on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.